No. Man, look at that wheelie she popped.
Who knew? Have we ever done that before?
Pop? No.
Harley, but any bike.
No.
Yeah.
Never did that. Never made a slam dunk. Never shot a hole in one.
Yeah.
None of that.
Very first time I got on a motorcycle.
Really?
Well, it must have been like an 8th grade or something, and a friend of mine had a dirt bike, and he's riding all around our neighborhood. And for some reason, he and his friend goes, "Hello, you want to try it?" I'm like, okay. I didn't like my motorcycle.
Hold on a second.
Explain to me how to do it. They're like, hold down the clutch, take a little clutch up. Oh. I literally took their instructions, I stopped the clutch, and the whole thing just shot up wheeling across the board. And I almost got free, and I was able to get the bike down and turn out the way, and up and down wheeling. They all ran up to me, hit the kill switch and stuff, and I was like, frenetic, like, breathing hard, and my heart rate was like, 3 times faster, so freaked out. Heck was that?
There's your Kentucky state sign.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. So we'll turn around, go back and park. Okay with turning around, going back and parking?
I can't believe we're already in Kentucky. I thought it was 5 miles ahead.
Yeah. Are you okay with turning around, going back and parking?
Well, if one of us goes into that, we just want one picture.
I got it on camera.
Oh, you got it? Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Forward?
Do what?
We're just going to continue forward then, or we're going to go back?
We're going to continue forward.
Okay.
Yeah, she said to heck with Lowell. No, just kidding. That's a cute house on the right.
Very kind of modern compared to everything else.
Yeah. Dang, they got money.
That must be where the president of the mine lives.
Kentucky.
I don't know why I thought the bike on the other side, and it was weird. Jonathan jumped into my mind.
Oh! Was that the lone wolfer?
Maybe that was him. That was the whole thing.
What, but was he wearing overalls?
He was not wearing overalls.
If he's not wearing overalls, it's not the lone wolfer.
Wow. Brilliant.
Mm-hmm.
We are in.
I heard the truck drivers talking, and they said it might have been a fatality up there. Yeah. Yeah. A fatality, and they said at least 30 minutes to get it cleaned up. Most excitement this little section's seen, I think. So we are in Pikeville, Kentucky now, and gonna take Scooter Wolf and the Mystery Rider to the Harley shop. Yeah, I don't know about this parking. I'll go park in the auto spot. There we go. Come in like this.